welcome back. Thanks for watching, everyone. Today we're going to be adjusting the thermostat or the water temperature on an electric water heater. This one is the Rheem Performance model. All right, but before we do anything like that, we're gonna go turn the power off at the breaker box. For those of you unfamiliar with how to do that, I'm gonna walk you over and show you right now. All right, in every house, you should have a breaker box. What this does is it shuts off the power to your house or turns on the power to your house, all right? This is a 200 amp main right here. And what you need to do is go in and locate where your water heater is. Now the guy who wired this house up labeled everything clearly. So we shut that off. There's no longer power to the water heater. Now we're gonna head back over there and we're going to adjust that thermostat so you guys can have more hot water, enjoy those showers and everything like that. Let's get started. All right, the thermostat locations on here, different than a gas water heater, you have two. You have one up here and you have one down here. So first thing I'm going to do is take both of these off, get them over to the side, and then we'll go to the next step. Now for this project, the tools you really need: flashlight if your basement's dark, knowledge on how to turn off your breaker box. Yes, your knowledge is a tool. You need a screwdriver, flathead and Phillips head, and half a brain cell. No, I'm just kidding. Half a brain cell. You probably need a whole brain cell for this job. All right, but we're gonna take these off, and what's nice with these, the shape of them allows you to place the screw right inside. Also a good habit, all right? Always remember where you put your screws and things you take out, because it's always awkward when you go to put it back and you don't have enough. All right, these also have some insulation on them. Pull that off, pull that off, put it with its respective receptacle. And what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna come up close and we're gonna take a look at how you change this thermostat, all right? And then you're gonna watch me do it. Really easy. Okay, so if we come in here, take a look here, all right? What do we got? It says 125 degrees, 52 degrees Celsius, 66 degrees Celsius, 32. We're right below, even the recommended mark. Now, this is because it came right from the manufacturer, all right? It makes sense for the manufacturer to put it low because it could be some serious lawsuits if people with less than half a brain cell get in the shower and crank it up. Now, theoretically, this one should be the same also. Yep, same spot. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust both of these to where I want them. And you want both of them to be the same temperature. All right, you don't want different temps. So to do that, I'm just going to go in here with a flathead screwdriver. Remember, the power is off. And we're just going to turn the dial to where we want it. I'm going to go a little bit past the basic one. All right, I got my wife, me, and 2 kids. We need some hot water in this house. We go down to the bottom and we'll do the same exact thing. And actually, let me get up close and personal for this one. So let me move the camera and I'll show you how I did this one. All right, as you can see, it's right here. All right, I'm gonna try to keep my hands out of the way so we can get a good view. Just gonna turn it clockwise. You can see that dial turning. I put it right where I put that other one, all right? As you can see now, 125 is here. We moved it up in between here just like the other ones. All right, that's all you have to do to adjust an electric water heater. Now, it's gonna take some time to heat up, so don't think that when you do this, you're gonna have an ample supply of hot water, right? Let it sit for a while, let it charge itself up, heat up, whatever you wanna call it, and you should be good to go. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment. Make sure you hit that like button if you already haven't. Subscribe. I hope you guys all take it easy out there. Peace. I'll see you around.